Hi, my name is Sabina Patel. I'm from Malawi, Lilongwe. I've been suffering from spondylosis for about 6 years. I could not do work, any kind of work. I could not turn my neck. I could not lift up my hands. For quite a while, I've been seeing physiotherapists back home in Malawi. I've been visiting different hospitals, which did not work for me. I got to meet up with somebody else from India that had referred me to come to Manipal hospital. When I went, I met Dr. Vidyadhara at Manipal hospital in Bangalore. He did all the kind of tests and x-rays and the MRIs and the CT scans. Lucky enough, I was able to get the surgery done.
Miss Sabina Patel, 52-year-old lady from Malawi, presented to us last year in June with neck pain radiating to right upper limb, and she was in agony. She could not sleep well during night because of the pain, and she had suffered this for quite some time before presenting to us. She had contacted the International Patient Care Division, and we had guided her on emails as to how to go about coming to India and getting treated. So she had come prepared, and we did the tests on the same day. We admitted her, and we got her the surgery after getting a diagnosis of cervical canal stenosis C5-6, C6-7 and right upper limb radiculopathy. We did a surgery called C6 corpectomy and fusion with expandable cage plate device. The patient tolerated the surgery well and was able to walk within 4 to 6 hours after the surgery and was discharged the very next day.
After the surgery, I recovered so well. The doctor did a great work on me. I didn't expect to recover so quickly with the type of pain that I was going through. After I recovered, I came back to India for checkup, and all is well with me at the moment.
She has now come back after 1.5 years for a follow-up check because of some vague generalized body pain and other medical evaluations, and she is doing very well. I wish her all the very best for a bright and healthy future.
The service was very good at Manipal Hospital here in Bangalore. The nurses were amazing. The doctors were amazing. The treatment itself was amazing. And I would encourage anybody else facing the similar problem like mine to come to Bangalore, Manipal Hospital, and to see Dr. Vidyadhara.